Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video I'm going to be doing a new unboxing. What we have to unbox in this video is the keyboard and mouse set by Sablute. This comes with a retro design, a armrest for the bottom of the keyboard, and it's completely backlit. Let's take a look at the box here. So as you can see by the front, it does come in a variety of colors. I will have the product linked in the description below, so if you're interested in checking out the other colors, they will be posted there. This one we're going to unbox and show you the color I purchased. First thing I'm going to pull out here is the mouse. Basic looking design. This is very similar to the first Red Dragon mouse I reviewed. Has the two side buttons there for your thumb. It is USB-C and it's completely wireless, so should have a dongle in there. I'll show you that shortly. We have a USB-C cable for charging purposes. And the keyboard itself looks like it has some different goodies inside the package here, so let's get this unraveled and show you what that is. Comes with these cutesy little anime push tabs that you can put on your keys. Here is a USB-C to standard USB adapter. Have a user manual here. Quick multimedia shortcut key guide on the back. And here's the keyboard. States on the back that it is a wireless keyboard. I believe the compartment on the top is going to be where you put in perhaps a battery. Nope. It is just a slot for your USB dongle. We'll keep looking through the packaging here. It's going to charge via USB-C right on the back there. And we have an on-off switch. Do want to make mention here that this top slot here, you can put either a phone or a tablet or even a pen inside of here. So if you do have like one of those digital pens, you can use that slot, but this is more commonly going to be used for a screen. Have your iPad or your phone set in there and you'll be able to operate it like you would almost a laptop. We got a thank you letter in there, and this is going to be the wrist pad. This is going to go on the bottom of the keyboard. Very squishy. Has some rubber pads on the bottom here so it's not going to slip around, and has a little bit of a curve to it. So I'm going to set that directly underneath the keyboard. I do want to mention it has a magnet built into it, so that snaps right onto your keyboard and keeps it in place, so less likely to move around. Now what I'm going to do is take a look at the mouse here. On the very bottom we have the USB dongle, and I assume this is going to be paired up to both the keyboard and the mouse. One USB will control them both. Now one thing that was requested of me in the past was to provide information or an audio test of sorts on how the click works on certain products that I review. In this one, I'm going to show you exactly that. We have the mouse. I'm going to have it up close. Very quiet clicks. Soft to the touch. Has a nice grip to it. The side buttons here has more of a click sound to it. But those are less commonly used. Do like the feel of this. grips nice in the hand. The keyboard, look at those retro keys there, all rounded. Has a little bit of a click to it, but fairly quiet versus the mechanical keyboards. And this is a full-size keyboard, just want to show you that. Has the number pad on the side, all your functions right above the arrow keys, and everything else in place. Let's get this thing plugged in and I will show you what it looks like all illuminated. Alright, so I have the keyboard and mouse connected. It is using the single USB adapter. You can see here the mouse has a rainbow effect on the bottom of it. Pretty neat. You can customize that if you wish. As far as that goes, you just hit the switch button on the bottom of the mouse. It'll illuminate a different color. Different strobing effect, it looks like. It does have a DPI switch on the bottom here, so that will adjust for the speed of the cursor on your screen. I'm going to toggle through these different modes for the LED, show you what it does. You'll see that variety of different effects and colors. Self-explanatory. I'll keep it to that effect there. I do have the keyboard connected. The rest on the bottom for your wrists actually feels really good. Has a little bit of a stick to it, but if you're not going to be, moving around all over your keyboard, that shouldn't be much of a problem. It does feel very comfortable though, so this will help for the people that do have to type on a keyboard every day. The cushion on the bottom is going to feel just really good using the keyboard throughout the day. As far as this keyboard goes, I do have the lighting effects off. If you do want them on, you're just going to hold that function key and hit the M key. That's going to be the scroll lock. Right now we just have it illuminated in blue, as you can see, but let's toggle through these other colors. Got yellow, purple, teal, white, red, green, and back to blue. Choose whatever color is going to work best for you. If you don't want it on, you can turn that off. You can also choose the brightness level by using the up and down cursor with your function key. I like to have it lit up, so I'm going to utilize that. A variety of different shortcuts on the top here, so you are able to toggle through music settings. You can do a search. You can even use the emoji key here, which I didn't know that was even a thing, but in Windows you can actually hit that emoji icon and it'll bring up all the different icons you can use in form of text. That is pretty cool that has that there. Just a shortcut for a Windows feature. And yeah, as far as this goes, it feels good. The mouse works very nice. Let me change the DPI setting on there. I do want it on a slower setting. It does feel good. Very quiet clicks. This is going to be nice for those late night gaming sessions that, I don't want to keep my family awake if they're hearing me play Diablo or Ultima Online or something like that, where it does require a lot of clicks. I'm going to be able to play without that noisy interference. As far as this set goes, I'm very impressed. Feels good. It's all one unit and you're able to put your phone or your iPad in there. Overall, this is a great little set. I do recommend it, and like I said, it comes in a variety of different colors, so check them out if black is not your style. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you do want to pick up one of these keyboard and mouse sets for yourself, take a look at the link in the description below. I will have it posted there. And if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.